Since the beginning of time, man has worked to make his world a better one to live and work in. To accomplish this task, man has utilized tools. With the use of tools, man has changed the course of rivers and moved mountains. We are KOBELCO Construction Machinery U.S.A., and we provide the tools that help you move the mountains. Our full line of innovative, powerful, world-class excavators can meet all of your excavation needs. At KOBELCO, we are dedicated to total customer satisfaction with our machines. Quality is what the customer says it is, and the quality is viewed as a company-wide process requiring constant, ongoing improvement. Now let's take a look at one of our new models, the SK210LC9 excavator. This machine is the most innovative and powerful excavator available in its weight class. From the comfort of the operator's cab to the power and versatility of the front-end attachments, this excavator helps you complete the toughest jobs on time and under budget. It has a number of unique features not available with the competition. These features are designed with you and your particular job in mind, assuring you that the SK210LC9 is the smoothest and most productive excavator in its class. The SK210LC9 weighs in at 48,500 pounds and is powered by a Hino J05E series diesel engine, which is also used in Hino commercial trucks. This four-cylinder engine produces 157 horsepower at 2,000 RPM, among the best in its weight class. Hino is a wholly owned subsidiary of Toyota and is a high-performance workhorse engine that is known for durability, efficiency, and reliability. Being smaller, it's also more fuel efficient and environmentally friendly than larger engines, meeting all required emission regulations. And because it's in a KOBELCO, it's completely supported by your local KOBELCO dealer and KOBELCO Construction Machinery U.S.A. To keep the engine cool, the SK210LC comes with a tropical cooling system, which is a heavy-duty cooling package that is standard equipment on all KOBELCO excavators. The extra openings in the side door let more air across the side-by-side radiator, intercooler, and oil coolers. And to keep the engine bay clean, there is a removable screen. To protect the side of the machine against accidental minor damage, triangle-shaped guards are built into the side of the machine. Now let's take a look at the operator's cab. Operator comfort and safety are high design priorities for KOBELCO. Long stroke cab mounts that minimize shock, vibration, and noise support the SK210LC9 cab. The cab is the largest in its class, giving the operator plenty of safe elbow room. For year-round comfort, the SK210LC9 has a climate control system that keeps the operator warm in winter and cool in summer. It can display the temperature in Fahrenheit or centigrade. For operator enjoyment, the SK210LC9 comes standard with an AM/FM radio. All of these design features help make your operator comfortable, because a comfortable operator is a productive operator. The low-effort, multi-function control levers support the two most common control patterns. The standard excavator pattern and the alternate backhoe loader pattern is a KOBELCO option. The cab has two air filters, one for outside inlet air and one for inside recirculation air. Replacement is easy because both are behind the operator's seat on the door side of the cab. For safety on the job site, the large cab glass surface area provides excellent visibility out the front, sides, and rear of the machine. To assist rear visibility, a rearward-facing camera mounted on the counterweight is now standard. Images are displayed on the cab monitor. For operator comfort, the SK210LC9 has a 7-position suspension seat that accommodates operators of all sizes. The machine control levers have 3 height positions, putting them out of the way of the operator's legs. The armrests are height and angle adjustable as well, another KOBELCO exclusive. The left-hand pilot control can be moved up and out of the way for easy cab entry and exit. For safety, the safety lock lever will need to be in the down position to operate the machine. KOBELCO designed the SK210LC9 with the most advanced control system in the industry. Located on the monitor, right above the engine coolant temperature gauge and fuel level gauge, are the H, S, and E work mode indicator lamps. H is the default mode for all KOBELCOs. This mode allows the operator to utilize the maximum output of the machine for more productivity. It's perfect for mass excavating or cross-country pipeline work. S mode stands for standard mode and is useful for job conditions requiring multiple phases of operation, such as laying sewer pipe. Standard mode further enhances the fuel efficiency of the machine when maximum speed is not required or desired. The E, or Eco mode, is used when maximum fuel economy is preferred over high-speed operation. It maximizes efficiency of the machine as measured as a relationship between number of cubic yards moved per gallon or unit of fuel used. Preset modes like breaker and nibbler can be engaged at the touch of a button. In breaker mode, the operator can quickly adjust the pump flow and pressure rates for various attachments like hammers and tampers, as well as check the pressure of these attachments from the comfort of the cab. Nibbler mode is for bidirectional attachments such as shears that can require up to 2 pump flow. As many as 18 tools can be preset for pressure and flow with this system. The flexibility of the SK210LC9 isn't limited to the control system. KOBELCO designed its main hydraulic control valve to incorporate a standard auxiliary valve section. There's no disassembly required, unlike the competition. Its auxiliary valve provides bidirectional flow as well as unidirectional flow for hammers. Flow and pressure to the bidirectional valve is adjustable between single and double pump flow right from the operator's cab. Double pump flow to the bucket circuit for reduced cycle time is standard. If the machine is equipped with the optional nibbler breaker hydraulic system, all the plumbing for nibbler, breaker, and rotation is already in place. The control system presets and built-in plumbing save time when switching attachments, and that increases productivity. The hydraulic pumps on the SK210 are direct drive and are in an inline design. This eliminates the need for the complicated, inefficient gearbox used with side-by-side designs. Less gears and bearings means less maintenance and potential downtime. Fine grading work is assisted by KOBELCO's exclusive Auto Excel system that functions in all operating modes at the touch of a button. Engine RPM increases in direct proportion to movement of the control levers when the engine decelerates after 5 seconds of inactivity. Our competitors have no such system. We have incorporated many changes to the front end of the SK210LC9, all designed to help increase productivity and protect your investment at the same time. The arm comes standard with a vertically reinforced rock guard. This protects the arm's inside plate from being crushed when the operator accidentally curls the bucket in with rock or a pipe. The standard boom and arm is reinforced to handle severe demolition jobs. To make using attachments easier, KOBELCO has configured the boom and arm with tapped blocks for easy installation of auxiliary piping. Standard on the machine are 3 front work lights to keep you working when conditions are less than ideal. Also standard are 2 rear work lights and selectable swing flashers. These are recessed into the counterweight and enhance visibility on the job site. The SK210LC9's lifting capability is among the highest in its weight class, designed to easily handle large pipe or a trench box. In the event you need a little more lift, you can increase your capacity by more than 10% simply by pressing the heavy lift switch. It can be engaged as long as necessary. This is handy for setting pipe. To minimize drift, KOBELCO also has integrated anti-drift valves into the arm and boom hydraulic circuits. This machine has the highest breakout force in its weight class, with a whopping 32,271 pounds of bucket digging force with power boost engaged. The arm crowding force is 24,500 pounds using the 9-foot 8-inch standard arm and power boost, also the best in its class. Power boost increases maximum digging forces by 10% with no time limit. You engage it by simply pushing the power boost button on top of the right-hand control stick. This is a standard feature on the SK210LC9 and all KOBELCO conventional models. Like all KOBELCO excavators, the SK210LC9 is built to last. This excavator is designed for hard work with heavy-duty components throughout. For example, the X-shaped car body is designed to resist the distortions that result from heavy lifting and severe traveling conditions. The car body is connected to the crawler side frame using high-quality robotic welding along the entire height of the crawler side frame. This ensures long component life by allowing stress to flow from the front end down through the car body and into the crawler side frame without encountering high stress points that eventually lead to failure. This differs from many competitors' designs that only attach part of the way down the side frame. Underneath, the SK210LC9 has a 14-foot 7-inch undercarriage and up to 31.5-inch shoes as standard equipment. This puts plenty of track on the ground for maximum stability during lifting or digging operations. It also gives the machine outstanding flotation when ground conditions are unstable. The rugged design of the undercarriage features heavier and stronger components. The idlers, lower rollers, and carrier rollers are lifetime lubricated to ensure reliable performance. The factory lubricated track links are strutted and feature flexible seals to keep water and dirt out and lubrication in. The 3 lower track guards are standard equipment. The 2-speed travel motors automatically shift between high and low speed according to job conditions. In high-speed mode, the SK210LC9 is a champ, traveling at a maximum speed of 3.7 miles per hour, the highest in the industry. This is important on large job sites or pipeline projects where getting to the job quicker means more time digging and more productivity. In low-speed mode, this powerful undercarriage offers among the highest drawbar pull in its weight class, at 51,500 pounds. This machine can tackle any terrain no matter how difficult the ground conditions. The travel reduction gearboxes should be at the back of the machine for increased stability and correct orientation of the travel control pedals and levers. KOBELCO's unique independent travel feature makes any job easier. A KOBELCO exclusive, it allows the operator to lock one pump to travel and another to front-end operations. The operator can walk, boom, and swing simultaneously. Independent travel maintains a constant travel speed regardless of what the operator does with the front-end attachment. This ability is standard on all cranes, but no competing brand has this feature on their excavator. Having full power to both the tracks and attachment is handy if the machine ever gets stuck. Another KOBELCO innovation is automatic swing priority. This system enables the operator to cut an edge on a ditch or swing a heavy load uphill with full rated crowding force without manually switching to swing or trenching modes. KOBELCO Swing Priority automatically disengages for normal digging with no need for manual operator adjustment. The machine reacts to operator and job demands automatically. In case of loss of electrical power, the KOBELCO machines have a bypass switch behind the operator's seat which gives you direct control of the engine. The machine will perform a little slower, but it can at least safely finish the task. Few competing machines have such an emergency system. Another safety feature on KOBELCO excavators is the pressure release switch. Pressing the button using the activation sequence allows the operator or technician to release all high-pressure oil in the system before service or tool changes, which is another KOBELCO exclusive. The SK210 also has a large storage compartment to handle slings, teeth, or whatever you might need. Like all KOBELCO excavators, routine maintenance is made easy with plenty of access to all major checkpoints. The SK210LC9 has boom foot and hoist cylinders with wear-resistant brass bushings fortified with graphite inserts. This inhibits friction and extends lubrication intervals. Additionally, the bushings used at the bucket-to-arm connection employ a unique flange design that places a hardened steel and replaceable flange against the bucket to eliminate side arm wear as the bucket rotates. This area is further protected with a large O-ring seal and double lip seals on the arm side to seal in grease and seal out dirt. From the cab, the operator can monitor all engine, electrical, and hydraulic functions including engine RPM, hydraulic pressures, when the next oil change is due, and much more. Being able to review machine data like this eliminates the need to use complicated tools or computers. With KOBELCO's self-diagnostic system, you can check dozens of different service items to help maintain peak performance. The system also has a 100-event fault code memory with timestamp to identify any trouble areas. This helps diagnose issues quickly, which means more productivity at the end of the day. In the event that the SK210LC9 needs support, it's likely the owner already knows about it. The SK210LC9 is equipped with the KOBELCO monitoring excavator system, COMEXIS. The SK210LC9 can report its location data, operating hours, fuel consumption data, work status, maintenance data, and warning alerts using a global system of satellites. With remote machine management a growing need for today's owners, COMEXIS makes you proactive. No one else makes it this easy. The SK210LC9 excavator from KOBELCO, the leader in excavator manufacturing and design. Rely on our world-class performance, commitment to quality and reliability. KOBELCO Construction Machinery USA. Driven by passion.